Here's a beautiful antique Chinese low cabinet. It's 72 by 16 by 19 inches high. It's a solid Elmwood build. You can see the sides and the front been painted with red and black lacquer paint. Lacquer on the outline and red on the outline and black on the doors. It's got 3 cabinets and a single shelf in each of them. These really neat brass pulls. The top was left unpainted. It's got a coat of lacquer to show off the nice grain and color of the wood. Be great as an entertainment center. You can put a nice big TV on top. It's also useful as a bench or just a decorative storage piece.